I'm Rosangela Bertran. Today I want to invite you to my webinar, which is about the significance of love in our lives and recognizing love in ourselves. I will pilot 4 empowering women sessions coaching, developing the art of loving together with you. We will do a small meditation to start with, and we'll get through some steps, bringing you to the discussion where you are the protagonist. We will get in touch with our inner voice, we'll improve our personal definition to better realize our personal value, as well as learn to feel and get into the skin of the other, value the other, and the notion of interbeing without discrimination. We will learn to develop and enhance the positive part of the person, eliminating the negativity and just not letting the hinder flow, tapping into the understanding with the 5 senses: look, breathe, listen, express, and embrace, all towards the consciousness of our own message and expression to our concrete donation to the other, and having at first place our self-love. I invite you to let you shine and reach my free webinar, clicking in the link below for your registration. Thank you in advance.